So many of you may not know, but up until now, the New Balance 993s that I bought early in the summer of this year were the most expensive sneakers I bought, at around $100 shipped to my front door. If you haven't checked that video out, please be sure to. Great pair of sneakers there. But up to this point, I did something I thought I'd never do. I spent $220 on a pair of sneakers. These Adidas 350 V2 Boosts in the triple white colorway, to be exact. Unless you've been living under a rock, you know that Adidas did a full restock of the triple whites on September 21st of this year, 2018, and was said to be the biggest Yeezy restock yet, and that's when I bought them. Since then, Yeezy models have been fairly easy to purchase, with 350 colorways including the Zebras, Sesames, Frozen Yellows, and other 500-700 models being easily available. This video will be uploaded way past release date, but if you logged on that morning of September 21st, it was really easy to get these, unlike any other 350 release in the past. They sat for a few days in a bunch of different sizes between adidas.com and Yeezy Supply, so if you really wanted to get into the world of Yeezys, this was the easiest way to do it. I don't really know what the significance of this video is, as everyone seems to have a pair of these now, and this is following Kanye's promise of making his shoes easy to buy for everyone. Let's put it this way. For someone who used to buy sneakers on sale at outlets, buying a $220 pair of sneakers is a big deal for me. I don't plan on reselling as there are so many pairs out there and value isn't even that high at the point of me making this video. This is a pair I plan on wearing or using as trade bait, and as a side note, I'm looking to get a pair of the 500 salts because I passed on them on release day, so shoot me a message if you're interested in trading straight up or know someone that is. But apparently this wasn't enough for me, because I got another pair I always wanted, the 350 Zebras. These restocked on November 16, 2018, but I'll save these for another video. That's all I have for now. Thanks for watching guys, and be sure to stay tuned for more content.